Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. I got to read you something. Heat protectant. I don't know how people do these videos. So hard. Hello, beautiful Southern Roots, coming to you with another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about my favorite hair products for when I straighten my hair and when I just wash it and don't flat iron my hair. So stay tuned for the video. These, you've seen these in my previous video. These are my favorites, I would say. This is the Joico K-Pak shampoo, conditioner, and deep conditioner. I use these whenever, pretty much when I'm going to flat iron my hair, I use these. I can find these in not Trader Joe's, and TJ Maxx normally. So you can find these in a TJ Maxx, but the deep conditioner, I have to get these from Ulta. If you find this in TJ Maxx, grab it, because I never find it. I can get the conditioner and the shampoo, but the deep conditioner I cannot. And I use all three. I shampoo, condition, and I deep condition. This is how my hair turns out. Flowy, you know, it's not weighed down, it's soft. Use a good deep conditioner. That works every time. The Moisture Recovery line. I love this line. It hydrates your hair. It's good for repairing dry hair. My hair is very dry, so I try to use a lot of moisturizing type of shampoos and conditioners and things like that. So this works wonders. I use the shampoo and conditioner, and I also use the deep conditioner as well. And all of these I can find at TJ Maxx. As you can see, they usually have the whole system in there. In fact, I have 2 deep conditioners because I never want to run out of this. I love this deep conditioner on my hair. Highly recommend that you get the Joico products, the blue line I call it, or the gold line. Okay, Aphogee products. These products right here helps with repairing your hair. I use the deep moisture shampoo. It gives you that clean and you feel moisture in your hair. I really like this shampoo. This is really good. I really like it. And the Keratin 2-minute reconstructor. Now this conditioner is a conditioner, deep conditioner in one. You don't need to do an extra conditioning after this, because it really does get in there. But it says 2 minutes. The instruction says 2 minutes. I leave it on for 30 minutes. I really do. But these two together, this is good for when you feel that your hair is really going through something, split ends, heat damage. This is a good recovery. I also use the leave-in conditioner. I really like this leave-in. I use it whether I use the shampoo or conditioner or not. I still use the leave-in because I really like this leave-in. It helps strengthen your hair for when you're going to flat iron it. So this is really good for strengthening of your hair as well. Deep conditioners. Now, if you're unable to get the Joico products, because they're kind of pricey, if you can't find them in TJ Maxx, I get them from Ulta. Use a good deep conditioner, and that will definitely help with moisturizing your hair and getting it to that point where when you flat iron it, it has that flowy look. It looks healthy, you know. My favorite, all-time favorite is This is the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydrating Hair Mask. This is a miracle in a bottle. That list would be this. I find this at TJ Maxx as well. TJ Maxx has some good hair products. Don't sleep. I like this line. It's the Macadamia Deep Repair Mask. This works really good too. I have been using this one for years. It really does help with hydrating your hair and get your hair ready for when you're going to put high heat on it when you flat iron your hair. This is definitely a good mask as well to put on your hair. I highly recommend this one as well. These are my favorite products. And so yes, this is one. I love this one. It's Redken Anti-Snap. This is not exactly a leave-in, but I use it on my ends as a leave-in. And I got this one from Target clearance. So, so yeah, because this is pretty expensive. I usually get it from Ulta, but when I seen it in Target on a clearance, you know I bought a couple. I bought all the bottles they had left. I love this stuff. This is really good. And I put it on my hair. I put it on the ends. I know my hair isn't down, but I put it on my ends and then I work my way up. So if that makes sense. Ends, work my way up. This is good to put in after when you're about to blow dry. My favorite heat protectant is the Tresemme Heat Tamer. I've been using this for years. Highly recommend that you get this. Also, I use a blow dryer spray. This is by Kenra, and I get this out of Ulta. I put this on right before I blow dry my hair, and once I finish blow drying my hair, then I use this heat protectant before I flat iron my hair. So I use 2 heat protectants on my hair. Oils and serums. This is what I mainly use. I highly recommend this. I get this from Trader Joe's. So if you do not have a Trader Joe's in your area, I do have a substitute, but this is my favorite. This is the jojoba oil by Trader Joe's. Works wonderful. I love this. I would say get this one. But if you're unable to find a Trader Joe's, the hydrating oil mist coconut oil, and it's very liquidy and it sprays on. This works. This is a close second behind the jojoba oil. When I straighten my hair in the summertime, because of the humidity, it will frizz up. You know, I like my flat irons to last at least 2 to 3 weeks. And for that to happen, I do wrap my hair every night. Sometimes you need something extra. You need like a serum, and a lightweight serum that won't weigh your hair down, but will help against frizz. And my favorites are, well, these are my 3 favorites. The top #1 that I would use in just a dime size. You don't need a whole lot of this. In fact, I probably had this bottle for a couple years because you don't need that much. And this is the Frieda's Extra Strength. I would just put a dime size on all of my hair. Just 1 dime size. Spread it throughout my hair, and this helps with frizz in the summertime. This is my secret to keep that frizz out and have my hair straight in the summertime. If you're unable to find it, I also use this coconut milk. It's like a serum. I think I went out of town once and didn't have my Frizz-Ease and needed a serum. Went into a CVS, got this, and it worked. It worked. So Paul Mitchell, I just have like a sample size of this. This also works pretty good. I've used it a couple times and I still have it because it does work. So you can use that. When I wash my hair and I don't flat iron it, I do twist outs, I do braid outs, or I just wear it blown out because I do blow dry my hair. This is the shampoo and conditioner that I use when I do not flat iron my hair, and that is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo. This is really good, and I like this conditioner so much that I'm out. I just have this pack, the sample pack left, but it's the treatment mask that goes with this shampoo. I use this, or I'll just use my the deep conditioner that I showed you earlier. I also use that when I don't flat iron my hair as well. So these two I would use. These are the two leave-ins that I use on my hair, and I use these because they're made with water, so they are very hydrating. And you know, if you're going to flat iron your hair, you don't want it to have water. It'll help, you know, revert your hair back. So a water-based leave-in would not work if you were going to flat iron your hair. So when I don't flat iron my hair, I use these. This is the Lemongrass Leave-In by Alikay Naturals. This is probably the beginning of natural time. Like when people started going natural, everyone was using this. Not today, and I still use it today. This is a good leave-in conditioner and detangler. I love this stuff. My now go-to products are the Melanin Haircare. If I can find the front. I use these products right here. Every twist out, every braid out, everything that I do when I don't flat iron my hair, I use these products. This is the styling cream. Love. In fact, I have these, and you're like, why are they half used? Because when people ask me about these products, I give them some, not all. I just give them some of my product, not all of it. I love this stuff, and when I have to order some more because this is probably a half a bottle, and then I just have this one, so I'm running out. Oil is really, really good. It's a blend of different oils. This works really good. She just came out with this leave-in, and when I wash my hair, I do plan to use it and see how it works. So I might do a video on the Melanin products, the leave-in with the styling cream and oil. But because I love the styling cream so much, I feel like this is gonna be fire. I think this is gonna be really good. So I'm excited to try. Haven't tried it yet. I just ordered it. And that's it. Those are all the products that I use on my hair when I flat iron it. As you can see, I flat iron my hair more than I don't, so I have more products on that side. But those are the products that I use when I do my own hair. And a lot of people were asking, well, what are you using? And those are the options that I use. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and hit a like. Thank you so much. Bye. You know, I did this whole thing with no earrings on. Because I got no earrings on. Why? It's that quarantine life. Don't even wear earrings.